In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete audio in Canva 2025. Whether you're updating a project or simply need a quieter version of your design, I'll guide you through each step to remove audio effortlessly from your Canva creations. Let's dive right in. First off, you'll want to open your project in Canva, a tool many of us use for our graphic design needs. Canva makes it simple to add elements like photos, text, and yes, even audio. A great thing about Canva is its ease of use, even for those who may not be very tech savvy. Now, to begin the deletion process, we'll start by navigating over to the left sidebar of the Canva workspace. That's where you'll see various options like photos, elements, and of course uploads. Click on uploads to open a panel that reveals all the media you have uploaded to your Canva account so far, including images, videos, and audio files. Next, you'll want to focus your attention on the audio tab within the upload section. Once you click on the audio option, your uploaded audio files will be displayed right there, ready for you to examine. Now it's time to identify which specific audio clip you aim to delete. Hover your mouse over the audio file you wish to remove. Here's a little tip. When you hover over an audio file, it helps you quickly pinpoint the right element, especially if you have a variety of files uploaded and need to make sure you're selecting the correct one. While you have your cursor over the audio file, notice a small icon with 3 dots appearing. This icon is essentially a shortcut to additional options related to the audio file. Go ahead and click on these 3 dots. Once clicked, Canva presents you with a simple menu of options that you can perform on the audio file. The final step is the easiest one yet. From the menu, simply select Delete. This action will remove the audio file from your Canva project. It's just that simple. Whether you're removing audio to streamline your design or to replace it with a new track, this method works seamlessly. And there you have it, a straightforward way to delete audio in Canva 2025. Remember, making adjustments like these can significantly impact the tone and feel of your design project, ensuring that your message is delivered just as you intend. Thank you for following along with me today. If you have any other Canva related questions or need further guidance, feel free to explore more of our tutorials or ask in the comments below. And don't forget, practice makes perfect, so keep experimenting with your designs. See you in the next video.